Welcome to my channel MR Engineering Drawing for IT Fitter 2020 and mechanical engineering students. So that I'm taking a class of a hypocycloid method. The hypocycloid method drawing will be like this. The question will be given like this. So the procedure and the thetas, how to take a dimension and the diameter, I'll show you. See, this is the refer I booked, the fundamental of drawing. So the question has been given: the circle of a 50 mm diameter rolls of the circumference of another circle is 175 mm. The diameter and the inside it traces the locus point of a circumference of a circle rolling circle from one complete revolution. Name the curve. Draw the tangent and anomaly to the roll at a point of 50 mm from the center of a directing circle. How to take and how to draw, I'll show you. The given data is rolling the rolling circle of a diameter. The small d is the given 50 mm. Then the directric centric circle, the diameter is big D, the given as 175 mm. If you divide by 2 you will get 87.5 mm. So the formula is the theta 360 degree into small d by big D. So 360 into 50 divided by 175, you will get 102.8 degree. Okay, then how to draw it by using protractor and everything, I'll tell you. Draw one point line here. I'll take from here 87.5. Okay, after that, using a protractor, the given angle is 102 degree. 102 degree. 102 degree given like this. Take from here 87.5. Okay, it will go into anti-clockwise the rolling circle. And then how to take, I'll take here directly 87.5 and draw one circle like this, the curve line. So the 87.5 will come like this. After that, you should take 25 mm from inside. So 25 mm inside. Here they given the small d is 50 mm. So I'll take from here, see, one circle like this. So the circle will come like this. So after that, I'll take this one as a point O. Yesterday I've shown you how to divide into 4 parts. Into 4 parts. It is divided into 4 parts. And this I'll give us a P. I'll go to anti-clockwise. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, I'll already has taken like this. So I'll go for O to 7, one arc, and O to 6, one more arc. this I'll take as a point, so that from O to P, one more arc. Keep on going like this. O to 5, one more arc. Then O to 4, one more arc. So your drawing will come like this. After that, bisecting the angle. If you bisect 102 degree like this, it will come one bisecting angle. Or otherwise you use one more circle like this, one more circle like this, bisecting. Take here, cut one arc, take here, cut one arc. So you will get, see middle, it will get, so that your arc will come like this. So again you take from here one more arc, cut here, one more arc, take here, cut one more arc. So the drawing will come very neatly. So bisecting is very easy. You can't divide into 1 or 2 into 8 divide parts, so that it is very easy. So the circle, if you put like this, so keep on going, cut one arc here, cut one arc here, cut one arc like this. So keep on going like this, it will be very easy. Please share to your friends, it will be very useful for examination. Cut one arc here, cut one arc here. So the bisecting line will be like this. So the drawing will come very neatly. So bisecting is very easy. I've taken cycloidal and epicycloid. This is hypocycloid. You can see my drawing. You will get very neatly. Then how to mention the parts? See here, I have taken CO. This is as C1. This is as C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8. Okay, then you will get a point. Then how to cut? Take 25 mm radius, the hypocycloid should become like this. So keep in the C1 here, cut one arc. Okay, cut one C1. From again C2, cut one arc which is passing through. C3, cut one arc. Again C4, see, it will touch here. Be careful. See, the circle will come like this. Then C5, cut one arc. Again in the C6, cut one arc. Again in the C7, cut one arc. Again in the C8, cut one arc. So the arc will come like this. I'll show you in the color. So the circle will come. This is the hypocycloid method. Then after that, how to take a tangent using a compass. Take a 50 mm See the diameter which is given 50 mm. Keep in the point, cut one arc. See, it will cut here. It will cut here. After that, take here again 25 mm. Take here, cut one arc. This I'll take as a Q. This I'll take as a M. So this point I say yes with cutting the arc. So after that I have to take from S, that is called as an right angle. So this is called a normally, then it will inclining, it is called as a tangent. If any doubt, you can comment me and share me, come on WhatsApp or anything. So this is called as a rolling circle. This is called as a rolling circle. You can refer the book. So the given like this only. This is a baseline, normal, tangent, rolling circle, radius of a circle. So that keep on going like this. You can keep here 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like this video, please subscribe and ring the bell. You will get a notification whatever the drawing, if I draw, you can update, you can get it. Then it will be very useful to me and to you also. Thank you for sharing also. Whatever the comments, I have written more drawings due to my friends and your friends which are seen in this YouTube channel. They are comments me, they told me to draw something like engineering drawings. Thanks for watching my channel.